We have blocks arranged in number 508. You can only move 2 blocks and your goal is to get the highest number. I'll give you 1 minute and then you have to make the first try within that time period. Okay? Timer starts now. Here's one common answer. From the last number 8, I will take 1 block to make it a 0. And then I will move it to the first number, making the 5 into a 9. Next, from the second number 0, I will move this block to form a 9. So here we go, I form a 990. Here's the second common answer. From the third number 8, I will take 1 block to make that 8 into a 9. And I will place this block to the first number to make the 5 into a 9. Next, I will take 1 block from the second number, move it to form a 9. So now I have 999. Is that the largest number you can think of? I will take 2 blocks from the second number 0. And I will move these 2 blocks to the first number 5 to make it an 8. And here we go. We have a 4-digit number, 8,118. There's another number higher than 8,118. I will take out the 2 blocks in the 0. And I will form a 1 after the 8. So now we have a 5-digit number, 51,181. It's time to reveal the largest possible number. I will take 2 blocks in the second number 0. And now I will make these 2 blocks as the exponent symbol. So we have 5 to the power of 118. This is a really large number, so we will use scientific notation to write the answer. So the largest number is 5 to the power of 118.